My aunt was on consent for form ya kwamra shebe film. Minority leader ye Haruna Idrisu nane ɔhwehwɛ ne mamu hu sɛ abafia wa fi nani ene bosia board day ye ne denti na amome ya ba bedru ba bi a ye dru debt exchange program no aba de no na ekokuma wo mrahye bedwafie sɛ no de wo mo ne aban ne ya adwene ba bi enye ye wo mo nyintum anyintum echina ma menkɔ yama ne boni jamra akowu atwum wa homa no so kɔ sa nhyiamude na se ye ne ni nkomo hwɛ de ye kɔ so twum sa wote ye nka ye mo akɔ aba
Jana Joso.
Yada se papa, you know, Ora Haruna Idrisu. Na some reported pa the same.
If you said the word can be actually on some press conference, not up yet, and I said the word can as I can. You're Haruna Idrisu, and now on central for a train comma. Or say a bang, a swording, and a fee, Bosiabo, Basa, Eka Hubi, and our main Yaka Aminia, and into a Waku here, say your debt exchange program, Eba. Na one month so a atoto bonds wa ba no so ehwo ka wa kire se donkuma no mo penifo a wo mu enim sikasem mu enkomodie ene aban Kasee etu enifu bia nanso aban yi efa edie bibia wa kire se aban ya aban a kire se wo ka sem bia kire no anya de a otumi edidi dwuma eno eka ho bi no man awiewie samu akone edum a enya sempeto a oye no wa kire se aban yi esesenka otumi ne wono mu a person ordinance eka metre individual bondholders no etrase etwetwen komo so ebu a onni emasa nkofo nti enya dia wotumi ene won kasa ya wo fiti ya na ordinance eka wo sika wagide se no ka ho bi ena di nti ni wa hyew eno mentiase aba aban ana wotu no eho we no wo kire se aban enya aban a otumi di no krema ne ye kire se October bo so me de to so biasa mampani na na danko ekufo ado ne Ghana fo kasa ye no esi ndi pise haircut dia emma IMF nkomo a wo mugusu edie enso so lei ahụ akonya se haircut no se abama aka wonu mu a wo mu atobon so aban no ho a wo kire se aban ni nokre se wadada omanfo a eno so ehun nsem eba betu bia wo kire se domkuma no ebetie si o manyi monten ni ntwom ni ntwia so be biara akọ Ghana fo se di aban watumi atoto o man sika aye no pasa na afi wo mu akire ontu a wo mu eba wo mu ebetu se de be ya wo manfo a wo ho aka no so obetumi eyade aba won afia
akwa ye da se nti de ebesi biomu nso wadaroma na yate yada papa nti ye kokuma mrahye bedwafie wo ensam no nansa na yade ababa no yenkoti Ora Haruna Idrisu se de odi tuja.
Couldn't we prevent it? How did we get this bit? Simply reckless, irresponsible borrowing by Nana Adom in the realm as President of the Republic. No lessons have been learned. In announcing the income, it is clear that the NPP government did not properly think through this whole idea of debt exchange program. This has led to the manifest confusion in the implementation of the ongoing debt exchange program. Ghanaians recall that during the Sunday 30th October 2022 address to the nation, the President assured all of us that government's negotiation with the IMF will not affect individual and institutional investors. The President said, and I quote, "I also want to assure all Ghanaians that no individual or institutional investor, including pension funds, in government treasury bills or instruments, will lose their money. As a result of our ongoing IMF negotiations, there will be no haircut," unquote. There is haircut. You simply have no sense of honesty and sense of conduct as you lead this country.